The biggest mistake people make, it's not the burger, it's the sauce.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel.
So let me quickly show you how to make a smoky bacon burger sauce, the ultimate burger sauce.
Snag some bacon, any cut will do. You'll need at least 3 slices. Crank the burner up to medium-high and cook the bacon all the way through.
Crispy bacon adds smoky flavor, crunch, and richness that takes this sauce far beyond ordinary burger spreads.
Chop the bacon up into bite-sized pieces. Round up a mixing bowl, something to mix it with, and then you're ready to go. Start off with 1 cup or 250 grams of mayonnaise.
For this burger sauce recipe, mayonnaise gives this sauce its creamy texture while letting all the other flavors shine.
Throw in your bacon, that's 3 slices that have been chopped. Minus a couple pieces. To that, add ketchup, 1 tablespoon or 15 grams of the ketchup of your choice. 1 tablespoon of Dijon mustard, 15 grams. Hit the spice rack and throw in half of a teaspoon of hot smoked paprika. 1/4 teaspoon of freshly cracked black pepper. A splash of everybody's favorite, what's it called sauce.
Worcestershire adds deep savory flavor that makes burgers taste beefier without adding more meat.
The secret ingredient, dill pickle juice. 1 teaspoon. Grab your whisk, give it a mix.
And you know, this sauce, it's not just for burgers. It's incredible on sandwiches, fries, wraps, grilled chicken, even on hot dogs.
And everybody that watches should know the next step of the process for any good burger sauce. Round up that plastic wrap, cover it, put it in the fridge for at least 30 minutes. Overnight, even better.
So check it out. This rested overnight. It's rich, it's creamy, it's perfect for any fried burgers or burgers that you threw on the grill.
Time to give it a little taste test. Wow, that is good. Whew, it's creamy, smoky, packed with bacon flavor. The Dijon gives it a little tang. The ketchup balances it out with a touch of sweetness. That is the perfect burger sauce to take your burger to the next level. Oh yeah, woo!
And that's it. That's how you make a smoky bacon burger sauce. It's simple, quick, and tasty. If you're into burger sauces, check out this next video. It's a copycat Big Mac sauce. It's the special sauce that you can make at home. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks again, and remember, until next time, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.